Hello everybody, my name is Albert and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to post a job on the boards within SkillBooking. If you haven't found a freelancer manually, you can post your jobs to the boards to reach more skillers. Posting a job to the boards allows you to invite all freelancers within a selected category, such as information technology or photography, to apply, not just those freelancers in the specific subcategories. This helps you connect with a larger pool of talent and find the best match for your job. How to post your job to the boards. Open your job from the home screen. Click Post to Boards button. When you post into the boards, you can choose who sees your job. All Skillers button shares your job with all freelancers in the selected category, regardless of location. Country button. If you want to limit your job posting to a specific location, select country. Under the country button, you will see two more options. Country. Share the job with freelancers in your country. State or region. Share the job with freelancers in a specific state or region within your country. This allows you to control whether your job is open to all skillers in the category or limited to a specific location. Once posted, you can view your board's job in two ways. Go to Menu, Boards Job to see all the jobs posted on the boards. Open your job from the home screen. As freelancers express interest in your job, you'll receive notifications. How to view the interested freelancers. Open the job and scroll to the bottom. Click the Skillers button to see all interested freelancers. How to choose a freelancer. View each freelancer's profile, including their skills, experience, and availability. When you find the right fit, click Select Skiller. Once selected, all other applicants are notified that they were not chosen. Selecting a freelancer removes the job from the boards. After selecting a freelancer, the messaging system opens automatically. You can now discuss job details and get started with your project. If freelancers don't respond within 24 hours and your job is urgent, a remove button will appear on your job listings. What this means? You can find and select another freelancer without waiting longer. Ensure that urgent jobs can move forward quickly. And that's it. You've successfully posted a job to the boards and selected a freelancer. Using the boards helps you connect with more freelancers in your category and find the best match for your project. If you have any questions, reach out to us through the contact page on our website.